Okay, so time to install this battery and hit the road. Woo! Okay, so battery is in. Time to put the seat. There you go. Oh yes, finally my first official ride of this year 2024 to test this Fenrir side mirror, which is one of the best upgrade that I did to my Sandra. Yes, isn't it right, Miss Tess? You good there? What a beauty. Oh yeah, before I go for a ride or before I hit the road, I need to check the bike. So the front brake, let's see if it works. How about the rear brakes? It works. Okay, that's good. How about the turn signal light to the left? Yeah, it's good. It's working. Right, which is good. The easy way to check the turn signal is to turn this hazard light. So all of the lights will turn on. Headlight is working, which is good. How about high beam? Yeah, it's working. And brake light, let's see. Yeah, it's working. Rear brake light, yeah, it's working. So the bike is good. Tire pressure, I checked it earlier before I installed the battery. I checked the tire pressure and it's good. So I'm going to test the vibration of this side mirrors. For now, as my bike is at idle, no vibration, okay, which is good. And then I will try it on low speed and then high speed, and let's see how the mirrors are going to perform. And also the wind buffeting. So what's my temp? So without further ado, let's go and hit the road. Okay, so this is first gear at low speed, and vibration, I don't see vibration, and I see my arms. I think I have to set the mirror. Shoulder check. I'm going to set the mirror first. Now it's too high. That's good. There. How about here? It's too low. There, which is good. Now I think it's time to go. I'm just gonna turn on my Insta360 to capture also the 360 degrees. Now second gear, still no vibration, eh? Awesome. Woo. Woo. Yeah, I have to be careful because this is my first official ride, and there's more ride this year, more dual sport and adventure, more adventure riding. Should I go or not yet? I should wait. No rush. Just be safe. Right? So I see the pickup truck behind me, and it's clear, no vibration, and time to go. My God, I should set the ABS into number 2, or traction control into number 2. Yeah, traction control, because there's still dirt on the road, which is pretty much sketchy. Traction control is at 1. I should go to a mode B mode. Traction control should be at 2. Yeah, so now it's easy to see what's behind me. Oh, see, so this is the normal urban ride, and how this mirror performs at a rough road. If this mirror shift, I think that's not good. I just said it. I didn't tighten up the bolts. I mean all the bolts. I just tighten up this one and this one. But this, because what I like about this mirror is you can fold it like that if you need to fold it. Okay, still no vibration, and it's clear, so clear. There's actually a rail track here, or rail tracks, that I will be riding on that rail tracks and see how it vibrates, or if it's going to shift. Here we go. Oh, good. Okay. So clear. So I'm heading to a freeway, although it's not windy. I don't know what freeway. So no cars behind me, but like I've said, no vibration at 60 kilometers per hour, which is good. Let's see at high speed. And alright, now it's easy to see what's behind me, even though, but I still need to do a shoulder check. See? Woo! High speed. Not so much. So much vibration. It's like normal. See? So I'm at 108, 107. Still clear to me. So no wind buffeting, and I like the mirror. Actually, it's so clear, so smooth, seeing what's behind me. Actually, this mirror minimizes the wind, the hitting my arms here. Yeah. Shoulder check, and it's clear. There's a truck behind me, no vibration. There you go. This Fenrir mirror is pretty impressive, so clear. Now I can capture what's behind me. There you go, and I can see it here. Oh, vibration. Awesome. Very sturdy mirror. So if you guys would like to try or get this mirror, just check my link in my description box. Also, I appreciate being part of my YouTube channel, and if you are not yet, well, hit that subscribe button. Also hit the like and share this video. And also there will be a 5% discount of any Fenrir products, as long as is greater than $20. The code is, I'll put also in my description box, but you know the code. Be right back. Oh yes, I'm back. Cool. So I can see the van behind me. I'm at idle first gear, no vibration. Also, what's on my left side mirror? There's a vehicle behind me, which is easy to see, and no vibration. There you go. Woo! Ah! Ah! Goosebumps.